Good morning, English 101 students. I'm just recording a video going over some of the stuff that we are going to be looking at for class on 4.2. The assignments are actually going to be due on the 3rd because they're a little bit lengthier. So I'm going to give you till noon on Friday to complete your assignments, just to give you a little extra time since I was a bit slow. I don't know if I sound stuffed up. I feel stuffed up. I certainly have not felt great over the last couple of days. I don't have coronavirus, but I definitely have a sinus infection, which I'm being treated for, and hopefully will clear up soon. Okay, so let's take a look at what we've got going on for today. Actually, let me switch real quick to student mode view so you can see the same thing. Okay, so start off in the modules tab, same as we're going to be doing for all our classes. And I am going to be trying to get ahead for next week, today and tomorrow, instead of kind of posting these one at a time. Okay, so we have the assignments for the 2nd. If you haven't read it already, Martin Luther King's letter from Birmingham jail, also chapter 33 of your textbook. And you're going to notice that I'm asking about the same thing, the appeals, over and over again. Excuse me. The reason for this is they're quite important in terms of being able to successfully navigate through all of these ideas. Okay, so let me get to the stuff for today. The appeals PowerPoint. Review it before you take the quiz for today. Again, this is the basis of an argumentative essay. Just to kind of review the main points, we want to focus primarily on logical arguments. A close second is ethical arguments. We're appealing to our good character or the ethical makeup of our audience. And then use emotional arguments sparingly. In addition to that, we want to make sure that we address the opposing opinion in the first probably 2/3 of our paper and refute it, meaning we use it as a launching point for our own arguments. And I've actually got a PowerPoint. I don't think it's been used yet. I've got 3 101 classes that are in all different schedules, but I have an outline PowerPoint going over the best ways to organize a paper like this, and where to address the opposing opinion, where you should have your strongest argument, all that sort of stuff. Okay, so if you don't want to read it and want to listen to it as you follow along, if you get to the letter from Birmingham jail assignment, then you can turn the extra credit anytime you like. Come on, you. There we go. I don't know why it's going to this. I'm sorry. Here's the quiz, and the next to see should be the assignment. Aha, okay. So I do have a link on here. There should be one, to a group of folks at the Ohio State University reading letter from Birmingham jail. The link doesn't seem to be on there, so I'll add it real quick. And what it does take about an hour for them to read it, but it does kind of convey the passion with which King is presenting the material. We have to wait for my home internet to be slow. Sorry, I was looking at recipes this morning. Because like many of you, I'm filling extra time. Okay. Yeah, of course, my internet would pick now to not respond. Okay, but you'll see this link on there. And so you have two things you have to complete by noon on the 3rd. One is the quiz on Letter from Birmingham Jail and the appeals PowerPoint. The second is the assignment on Letter from Birmingham Jail. Really, just like with the documentation stuff, with appeals, it's one of those things you kind of have to get your fingers dirty in order for it to work successfully. So that's what I am looking for, and I will find this link and post it. I think it's this one, but yeah, it is. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and end the video so you don't watch me putting together assignments, but two things that are due by noon on the 3rd. One is Letter from Birmingham Jail assignment and that quiz. Okay, if you have any questions, please shoot me a text or an email. I'll be happy to answer them.